If I created the wrong number of rafters, for example, if I created them badly and I wanted to select them all, there's two things that I can do to select all of those rafters and ridges. Now, one of the things I can do is I can turn off this option here, which is Suspend Groups. If I turn off Suspend Groups and I click on one of those rafters, ArchiCAD considers all of those objects to be in the same group. Suspending the groups means that when I select them, it selects them all together. If I suspend the groups and I click on one of those rafters, you notice it just selects one of them. Turn off the Suspend Groups and it treats all of those as one single group. So here's another trick for you. If you've got Suspend Groups turned on for some reason and you want to select all of the objects, drag your cursor right across all of them, hold down the Shift key and click on the roof. Now you'll notice that it's selected all of those as individuals, and it's also deselected my roof. So if you select an object and then you shift click on it again, it will deselect that object. So the trick is you drag your marquee over everything to select it and then shift click on just one thing, and here I'll need to shift click on that section marker as well. So that's a great way of doing it, so you can select multiple objects, and you can also deselect objects that you don't want to have selected, allowing you to, for example, delete things and leave some behind.